Hello and welcome to Open House this year. I'm Heidi Hansen and I'll be your child's academic lab teacher. Just to talk a little bit about what academic lab is, it is a class to focus on each of the students' IEP or individual education plan goals in the classroom. And I'll also be bringing in general education curriculum to provide lessons in the areas that they need. It is also support on their general education classes in also supporting their IEP goals. Next, for IEP and objectives, every student will have an IEP, and I'll be meeting throughout the year with you as families and your child to create and plan for those goals. I'll be supporting the students to show growth and work with those interventions as we go throughout the year. Using general education, working for their gen ed to support their gen ed classes. It'll be like pre-teaching, reteaching, or assistance with assignments. Students are expected to use their lab time working on their IEP goals, and then also completing assignments with individual lessons with me. Just to tell you a little bit more about myself as a teacher and my beliefs, I really believe that all students can learn and achieve their best. I also have high expectations for them while they're in my classroom, and just my expectations are that they're going to be responsible, respectful, and a good positive role model for their peers. And for myself as a teacher, this is starting my 26th year as being a teacher. And this is also my 8th year being at Inglemoor. My education is getting my bachelor's of science at the University of Washington, and then moving on and getting my master's of education in teaching at Lewis and Clark College. I have many different endorsements and have taught preschool through adults, being also an instructional mentor to new special ed teachers. In 2005, I received my national board certification, and I keep that up every 5 years to make sure that I am current. And just something special about me is I'm a third generation Washingtonian. I have a lot of teachers in my family. Also being about third generation teacher, where my great grandmother taught in a 2-room schoolhouse with her sister in Longview, Washington. And just lastly, I really value your input and working as a team to provide the best supports for your child. And so please contact me with any questions, any information that I can use to help support your child in the classroom. My contact information is included, as well as an email and a phone number. And then lastly, again, here is the information to contact me. Throughout the year, I'll be sending out questionnaires or parent input forms. We'll also be meeting for your child's IEP meeting. So we'll get a chance to meet and talk about progress. You'll also be receiving progress reports of how your child is doing. So please keep in contact. And if there's any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much.